Okay, let's learn about the metric relations between, in this right triangle here. Let's learn about all the relationships that exist. So if I have this big right triangle here, A, B, C, and I just label all the sides. So I label all the sides and all the vertices. This is A, that's B, C, this one here is D, and you have a height H, and then this side here is C, this whole thing is B, and then this little part is B1, this is B2, here's your height, and this is A. Now what I'm going to do is just take this blue triangle here, and just put it over here, and take this yellow one, put it over here. Now look at this blue and the red one. What do you notice about the blue and the red one? Well, this angle, you have the same angle, right? This angle and this angle is the same. And you have a right angle here. Well, this one too has a right angle. That's a right angle there. Maybe I should write that down. I should put a right angle there. The blue one and the red one both have a right angle. And they both have angle, this angle here is the same. It's the same. So that means that these two, the blue one and the red one, must be similar. So these two are similar. Now, if I take the yellow one, well, they both have this angle, angle C, the same, and they both have a right angle. So the red one and the yellow one are similar. So basically, you have three similar triangles. These triangles are all similar to each other. So if they're similar to each other, I can have proportions. I can have relationships between them. So let's label everything here. So let's see, this is A. Let's make this one A over here. And this one is B. That's B. And this is H. That's the height. C is over here. D is there. And B1 is this. So let's group all that so it doesn't move. Okay. And let's do the same thing here. So this one is D. This is D. This is B over here. This is C. The hypotenuse is A. So that's A. The height is H. And this is B2 here. Over here. And let's group all that together. Okay. There you go. Okay. So this is what we have. Now, corresponding sides are proportional, right? Okay, so let's name the triangles. So let's name this one. So how do we name the first one, the big one, the red one? A, B, C. So A, B, C. So A is this angle. So let's do this one. A, D, B. A, D, B. So here I named it A, right angle, and then the other one. So do the same thing here. A, right angle, and the other one. But here too. B, right angle, and then the other one. In the red triangle, which one's the short leg? C. Which one's the longer leg? A. It's the hypotenuse? B. In this triangle, what's the short leg? B1. What's the longer leg? H. And what's the hypotenuse? C. In this one, what's the short leg? H. B2. And then A. The long leg is B2 and the hypotenuse is A. So since these three triangles are similar, we can start writing proportions. So if I just take this one, let me just rotate it so it's clearer. I'll look at these two here. So B1 over H equals C over A. B1 over H equals C over A. That's what I have here. B1 over H equals C over A. Or I can say B1 over H equals H over B2. B1 over H equals H over B2. I can do it with these ones too. So C over B1 equals A over H. right? So these are all the, you can, in other words, this table shows you all the relationships. So you just cross multiply. So C times H equals A times B1. Or H times H equals B1 times B2. So H squared equals B1 times B2. Or C times A equals B times H. You can start writing all of these relations here. These are all the relations. You don't have to memorize these because if you have this table, they're all in the table. So if you pick any four, so this, for example, I can say A times C equals B times H. You got that here somewhere. A times C equals B times H, right? And some of them repeat. So I have A, I can just look at them. A times C equals B times H. Do I have that somewhere? Ah, here. I have that twice. A squared equals B1 times B2. You have all of them here. So really all you need is to have this on your memory aid. And you have all the relationships for you.